how to change from Laravel 5.2 11 version or 12 version, how to upgrade the Laravel old version to new version in the system. I am showing you how to upgrade. I am checking and there is no vendor folder, so I am trying to compose an instance. So the issue is the version issue, so I am changing here 10 or 11. So, okay, here, come here to Gemini or any AI, make all version fit with Laravel. Just paste and enter. Okay, done. Come here, now paste here and comes here. CLS Control P. The issue is Faker pinned cell mockery. Just paste here. Just paste. And come here. So just in this old model we are filling this, copy this and paste in AI. Okay, we can solution here. Just delete this log file. Okay, now try. Just paste here and try. This is the easy solution where now is working. So easily I am upgraded from 5 grade the Laravel version to 11 version easily by AI helping. This is very easy tricks. You can do this process. In this process we are getting help from AI. So if you try to change one by one version, so here you will lost use of time. So easy solution, just copy this all version and use Gemini or ChatGPT or any other AI model to get help which version is present for this 11 version. So this AI will help you and you can handle this version easily handle. Also keep remind this composer log, the old composer log if you locate it. So command is facing this issue, so we have solved this way and now our version is 11. Thank you. And our present application is working. So 71 package is suggested and now updated all version and fit check your version is locked, then download and then reinstalling, and I'll file autoloaded files. Thank you.